Where you say, where man? This way, man. Every time I look down the stretch, and the stretch start come all the way right. You look, you ask, where am I? And then you look in front of me, and you see lots of road. And you're walking a road, and I say, where am I? See that? So, I'm not a tourist, so look at this. Look. Yeah, outside. Turn around. We're in amazing place. You know, there's water and stuff. You can see, look, water and stuff, boats and stuff, bicycle and stuff, a bridging and stuff, and me, we're here and stuff. Oh. 3.5, yes, she want it delivered. Tell about how what she had to make come quicker. I ain't right up, man, she want it. They must have just in the bed mat next to her. They must share with the parcel from the pole like a stripper. Now we know, what me think it. She love my mullah, tell me sweet like sugar, so no man never be. Hey. This mullah, we still can it green. Need a picture with coffee. Look at it. Mullah shop with them. What? Get a surprise. I introduced the brother from the Instagram, on King Original Instagram, and listen to the music I play now. Out there. You have money in the bank, you can make it work. Yeah. But they are careful there, get me. You know it already. Right, this is me trying to drink my hot chocolate. Good thing. Careful, I don't with the cream. Careful, I a new walk, rich walk. See, you have to boom. Safe economy. Yeah. Safe economy. You have to walk cool. Get your foot. Rich one. King Original, rich one. Yeah, there's one thing about crossing the road here, you have to look everywhere. Car comes there, you have to look over car, bike, tram, bike, people, bike, people. Jeez. Well, we walk and find somewhere to have a breakfast, so we're there. We're gonna eat breakfast now, find some breakfast. Eat, easy. Done. Yeah, so we're there. Nice players, them up start sitting and then big kitchen down the bottom there. See, right. Done now. So we're there. Food time. In the rain, but guess what? It's nice. We're gonna go and look some breakfast. There's the canal. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna jump on a boat. And we're gonna ride on, you know what I mean? Have a boat party. Boat party tomorrow. Ever say? Boat party. See where we are going? Wow. Really rich. Serious. Anytime you see man doing this in rain, it's real rich. Cause we don't care. Cause we out here. We got King Original family, you know. Yo, Footy. Rasty, big up. Yo, Spyro. Yo. Big up on yourself, King Original. Done now, done now. Yeah, we out here. See, eh? Out here. King Original, we out here. Tell them, we out here. King Original, we out here. Water. We out here. Big up on yourself. Catch you later. Nah, tell you nothing on the sea. See? You have it tight, so you're good. Good. You what, man? Yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Look. And stuff. Lots of nice stuff. Lots of bike riding and stuff. Lots of smells and stuff. Lots of clothes and stuff. Lots of traps and stuff. Should it trap and stuff. Lots of pretty girls and stuff. Subways and stuff. Girls and stuff. And stuff. Why you not ready? I'm not wanted, so look. And stuff. Greetings and stuff. Chinatown and stuff. Clothes store and stuff. Ooh. More tramps and stuff. So if you tell me where I am, then you know where I am. If you don't, investigate. Well, until then, it's a beautiful place to be. Yeah. Try to show you where I'm at, but you have to catch it yourself. I leave you to guess. Look at this artwork. Spray up. Done now. The road crossing. So you have to watch out on them places, isn't it? Yeah, because we're there. That's so we never reach. Road cleared with them. Cooler than ice water. No smile. Not smiling.
Amsterdam.
See, foreigner we don't know. We are foreigner. We are tourists now. Get me no work. Fuck all to do. Get me. Oh, let's take it to God. Oh. Rude boy in our next country right now. Rude boy in the sunrise. Rude boy in the sunrise. That's the rude boy. Rude boy away from a train and now you get me. Yeah, one of them big yellow one there. The rude boy away from. You get me? Sign there. Amsterdam. 5 minutes in time.